Hi everyone and welcome to my first video. Yesterday I received my Archiduchess bag by Menière Paris in the mail and I was extremely excited because I had to pre-order it. So this is going to be an unboxing and I'm very excited because I haven't seen it yet. So if you want to join me, just keep on watching. This is the dust bag, as you can tell. It's a very satiny material. I don't think it's silk. I'm pretty sure it's polyester, but it does feel nice. It looks nice and it will definitely serve its purpose. Okay, we got more wrapping paper. And wow, this is the bag. Looks very, very beautiful. I think it's calfskin, if I remember correctly. I'm not sure. The hardware is gold, as you can tell, and it's very, very Chanel-like, but also much more understated. Because I have to say, I do not feel comfortable wearing huge logos. I really don't. And when I was in my teens, to me, owning a Chanel bag was the shit, you know. But since I know I wouldn't feel comfortable wearing it, this is a perfect alternative. Yes, lovely. The hardware feels very sturdy, very stable. It's very, very shiny. I love that. And what I also love is those leather straps on the handle, so your hair doesn't get caught in it, and overall it's much more comfortable to wear. Yes, that is so beautiful. The mechanism is the same as with every Chanel bag. You can pull it through and wear it as a crossbody or as a shoulder bag. Okay, the magnetic closure is very, very safe, very secure, very, very sturdy. All right, that's the interior. It's textile lining. There's a zipper compartment and two compartments in the front without any zipper. And there's a little hook on a string on which you can, I assume, attach your keys. But since I'm wearing a key pouch, I will not need this for this purpose. And yes, the foil is still on the hardware. This is the front and the back. The quilting is really, really soft and squishy. It's very comfortable. I just put it on. And I'm also very happy that the hardware is definitely yellow gold, but not so yellow that it looks cheap, if you know what I mean. To me, this is a perfect Chanel alternative, because ever since they have been increasing their prices but decreasing the quality, I'm completely turned off and don't plan on ever getting a Chanel bag. So I'm very, very happy about this high quality alternative. I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing and my first impression of this very lovely bag that I highly recommend buying if you have thought about it. And I will hopefully see you in my next video.